What's going on, guys? I got this Honda GCV 170 push mower. I found it in the trash. It was at the side of the road, so I picked it up. Maybe I can get it running and have another push mower, but she definitely needs some work. Most definitely. The handle thing with my jig is completely disconnected. So my first order of business is gonna get this thing put back together, and we're gonna see what's up in there. Alright, so I gotta do a little bit of fabrication on this, because especially on this side, this black pole was sheared off and it wouldn't connect down here because it was too short. So I'm gonna slap on this metal pole, maybe tack weld it on there, and use this to make it work. Alright, this is what I got so far. Got the handle fabricated, put on there. Doesn't look the prettiest, but hey, it works, bruh. I took everything apart, took this off, took the pull cord assembly off, and because it wouldn't pull, and the reason it wouldn't pull is because the ignition coil was pressed up against the flywheel. It happens quite often, actually, because I guess the vibrations and the magnets pull it eventually over time. So I got that adjusted how it's supposed to be, and that's pretty much all I had to do. So let's give this thing a pull, and let's see how it does, if it works. All right. Alrighty, got a free lawnmower.